There may be times in which you want to promote a specific sale design along with your existing catalog. To do this, you'll add a supplemental feed. Supplemental feeds are a great way of promoting seasonal sales that you may have on specific products within your catalog without applying the design to the entire feed. Through the use of filters within Marpipe and Commerce Manager, you have the utmost control over which products will feature these new sale designs. In the Data Sources section of one of your existing catalogs, in the top right corner, click Add Information. Then in the drop-down, add Supplementary Feed. From here, you'll follow the same process as uploading any enriched feed. Select Yes, then click Use a URL, and paste in your Marpipe-generated supplemental feed link. Set your feed update frequency, then select the feed you would like to supplement. It's recommended to give the supplementary feed a unique name. Confirm all of your settings, and check Save and Upload.